Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn Enjambment, but before I explain this topic, if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. It can be defined as: Enjambment is a poetic device in which the sense of a sentence or phrase is carried over from one line to the next. By this definition, it means that enjambment is nothing but it just refers to the flow of an idea from one line to another. As you know that poems consist of lines in which one idea is finished with the ending of each line. But, when one idea goes to another line and does not finish at the end of a sentence, then it is called enjambment in English literature. In other words, you can say, enjambment is a poetic device in which a sentence or phrase continues from one line to the next without a punctuation mark. This can create a sense of flow, momentum, or suspense in a poem. Just look at this example. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Observe this example. This is the stanza of the poem, The Road Not Taken, by Robert Frost. Actually, the enjambment in this stanza is created by the fact that the sentences or phrases do not end at the end of a line, but continue on to the next line. For example, the first line, two roads diverged in a yellow wood, enjambs into the second line, and sorry I could not travel both. This means that the reader has to keep reading to find out what the speaker is saying. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.